Legacy doesn't start when you leave. Legacy starts when you teach. Welcome back to the Rest Stop. It's Thursday of week 5, and today we're talking about something every healthy program learns to do early, not late. Passing the torch. Not suddenly, not in a panic, not out of burnout or frustration, but early, intentionally, patiently, with mentorship, not desperation. Because the rebuild won't matter if the only person who knows how to sustain it is you. Every parent group, every booster group, every director team, every volunteer organization, they all have someone, maybe you, who says, "I'll just do it. It's faster. I'll just do it. No one else knows how. I'll just do it. People don't step up. I'll just do it. I don't want it done wrong." And here's the truth. If everything depends on you, your program is one life change away from collapse. Not because you're weak, but because the structure is. Passing the torch early keeps the culture from falling apart when the inevitable happens. People's lives shift. Most people won't raise their hand for a big job, but they will say yes to a small one. That's how real leaders grow. Run this table, manage this sign up, shadow this meeting, take this one task, lead this mini project, co-chair instead of chair. Leadership doesn't start at the top, it starts in the small, safe space where someone says, "I trust you with this." That one sentence does more to build leaders than any training session ever will. Here's your challenge today. Invite one newer volunteer to lead something small and let them own it. No micromanaging, no fixing it behind their back. No stepping in because they're doing it differently than what you would. Let them run, let them learn, and let them shine. Passing the torch early is how you build a leadership pipeline before burnout forces you to find one. I see the leaders who have been holding on to everything because it just feels safer. I see the directors who are afraid something will fall apart if they let go. I see the parents who carry the entire booster on their back because no one else steps up. I see the volunteers who care so much that they forget they're allowed to rest. Hear this. You're not abandoning your responsibilities by training your replacement. You are protecting the future. This isn't giving up control. It's giving someone else the chance to care as deeply as you do. That's legacy. That's leadership. And that's the rebuild taking root. Healthy programs grow leaders early, not late. Healthy programs don't surprise people with responsibility, they prepare them for it. When you pass the torch early, your leaders feel supported, your volunteers feel empowered, your culture feels safer, your structure becomes sustainable, and your program stops resetting every year. Passing the torch early keeps the shift alive long after the initial excitement fades. So today, I want you to carry this. Leadership isn't something you guard. It's something that you give. The rebuild becomes real when the work stops living in one person and starts living in the culture. Tomorrow, we wrap up week 5 with heart. Joy is proof of progress. And trust me, that one's going to feel good. But for now, look for someone who's ready for a small step forward. They're closer than you think, and they're waiting for you to notice. We're rebuilding culture, one morning, one invitation, and one rest stop at a time.